So I'm from the region of Jalisco, and pretty much my cuisine's a little bit upper scale Mexican, using traditional ingredients and kind of like elevating them.
So this is what's going on. We're gonna take a look at this menu real quick. All right.
Let's keep it.
All right. So the first entree, what we got here is the pozole, okay, which is like if you guys aren't familiar,
yeah. Okay.
So it should be interesting. Pozole is, if a lot of people don't know, it's a Latin American kind of a soup, prepared many different ways. You know, the way the chef's doing it today is he's got some pork in there, some hominy, cabbage, radish, onion, and salsa macha and tostada. So it should be. This is different. This is definitely
these
different.
are interesting cocktails.
Yeah.
So I'm
What are the cocktails?
ready to get tantalized.
Let's see, what kind of cocktails do they got?
I know.
One on the pairing for you. All right.
Oh, okay. So yeah, we have drinks paired with every dish, correct?
Yep.
Sweet.
Look at that. See, drinks paired with every dish. This is what we're gonna do. We're gonna take this little lime. You know what I mean? We're gonna squeeze this little lime. Squeeze. Squeeze that little lime in there. Gotta get that full squeeze in there.
Squeeze it up.
Boom.
All right. And we're gonna get some of that. That just looks so well. Oh man, wow.
Okay.
Do one.
Oh,
How many scoops did you do? A lot?
I did like 2. You know what I mean?
2 scoops. All right.
It's not. I already know that
2
stuff.
scoops.
Very familiar
I like
with
that.
it. It's not too. So we're gonna mix this up. Take a little bit of this tostada right here, and put a little bit of that pork on top of that, like so.
Okay.
Kind of add it a little something, you know.
It's very tender, the pork, so I'm really excited about that. All right.
Oh my God.
Let's get it.
Wow. That's.
Wow. I ate this before we started recording because I was like really hungry, but it was too sexy not to try it.
Well, I didn't eat my shit yet, so we're gonna do my shit correctly.
Yeah, let's do it.
Okay, so what we got here, we got an enchilada de pollo, all right, with that beautiful dark mole sauce, all right? I'm gonna chomp into this right now, all right?
That's how you know I'm always hungry. Like I can't help myself.
I'm not mad at it, Sam. You know, you got.
You can have the.
See, check that. They got that nice shredded chicken on the inside. It's really beautiful, man. I'm gonna give this a try.
It was. My mouth thought it was beautiful, so that's a good sign, right? I'm gonna add some comedy to this shit, right? I mean, come on.
Oh man.
Oh man.
That's.
Oh man. Oh,
the flavor content on that, bro, is off the chain. It's off the Richter scale. The chicken with that, you're right. It does taste like that. Got that sweet.
It's like a deep spice.
A deep spice. It's smoky.
Like a deep
That's what
spice.
mole is, really like a smoky flavor content, I would say. You know, that's what you're gonna get when you taste mole. So,
that's fire.
Yeah.
I like that. I enjoy
awesome.
that. Should we put chili oil on it?
No, don't even need it.
We can try it.
Let's talk about the pairings, okay?
Yeah.
He's pairing every single meal with a cocktail. This particular one
There's a plantain in there.
is mezcal, banana and cinnamon syrup, and it's called Montelobos. Montelobos is what this drink is called.
Now, for all, cheers.
Cheers, man.
Who do not know about mezcal, they do not like to typically keep it in the tequila family because it's on its own. A lot of people think that it has a lot to do with tequila, but again, it's on its own.
So that pairs beautifully with this. A lot of people gotta understand.
Wow.
You take a bite of this, you take a sip of that. Everything comes together very beautifully.
That's fire, yeah.
So like the third thing is a tostada di ceviche.
Okay.
So tostada with some ceviche
like
on top, you know. It's got a little bit of mayo, it's got cactus, shrimp, whitefish. Cheers. Cheers.
like ceviche that I've had is kind of like overly like limey.
Yeah.
This is not.
Not like, I know. I don't like too much
It's very
lime.
fresh. I like that a lot.
I
And
don't
there's
like
a lot
too
of.
much lime. I'm gonna do it like
I
this.
fuck with ceviche, you guys. Oh my god.
You fuck with it long ways.
Ah.
So alright, we got
Oh,
the little
yeah.
tostada. Let me see what's up. Oh man. Ooh,
One of
fucking. Yo, Chef Eddie Vargas, bro.
Yeah, he's fabulous.
You're hitting tonight. You're
Hitting,
hitting.
Eddie.
It's
Hitting.
hitting. Everything's just smacking me. Yo, it's curb stomping me in the fucking palate.
Oh my god.
That's what the fuck's going on. All right.
I've never heard that. Curb stomping me in the palate.
Just hit. Just, you know what I mean? Just curb
We
stomp.
curb stomp pallets.
That's
over
it.
Here, guys.
Over here, that's what's going on. They're curb stomping pallets.
Wow.
Straight up, like.
That's like a new slogan.
You like that?
Yeah.
I just thought about that shit.
Oh,
It just came up naturally.
Yeah, that's how it should be, right?
Yo, this is great. What's in the
Okay, I don't know if
tamales?
you guys know like about tamales, but they're far and dear and near to my heart, and I think everybody has like an idea of what they may be. So a little bit about these tamales: a corn masa tamale wrapped in a banana leaf. So those are
Pretty
it's
traditional.
really good. It's traditional, but you know the flavor profile is very different. So I'm excited to try that. Mexican corn truffle. That sounds exciting. Beef tenderloin, frijoles, and I think a mole salsa is what it looks
That's
like.
what we're seeing.
Yeah, so wow. Damn, dude, that's a big ass bite.
Oh my god. Off with the fucking head. It was delicious. All right.
Yeah, I'm.
Straight off the tamale was.
We're gonna get a great review tonight.
Last and final dish is if I want to say this correctly, Niev Yochoro.
It's the signature for me.
I'm gonna eat this. I'm gonna eat this now. All right,
Let's do it up.
Pull that little bay leaf off like that.
I know,
Mint.
but
Take that
mint
little
is
mint
definitely
off.
mint.
Take that. Twice baked ice cream, twice fried. Put that on top of the churro like so, like a real G. All right.
The ice cream's fire. Wow. Oh my god.
He did an immaculate job at plating everything so beautifully.
Yeah.
The timing is unbelievable.
So like with the timing aspect, like I like it, and why I like it is because the portions are not that large, and then it leaves you hungry enough for the next one. Like you're about to be hungry again right when the next dish comes out.
You know what? That's
and that is something that is very hard to plan out.
Boom, boom,
Cheers.
boom. Chef Eddie Vargas, again, man, thank you very much for the invite. I love you, bro. I'm really, really proud of everything that you're doing and everything that you've done. And
Thank you.
I look forward to hopefully doing, a pop-up together. So
Yeah,
cheers
yeah.
to that. Salud, salud.